Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this halo soft glam look right here. So if you guys are interested in this look, then just keep on watching. So for the palette I'm using is the Anastasia Jackie Aina palette, and I am just taking this brown orange color right here and just placing that all over the crease. So for the next color that I'm using is this brown color, and I'm just packing that onto the outer corners. So the next shade that I'm using is this brown, kind of like a orange shimmer to it, and I'm just packing that onto the middle. Going in with that brown color that I use, I am going to be packing that all over again. For lashes, I'm using the Golden Paradise lashes in the style of Flirty. And I'm adding mascara, so this is the L'Oreal Volume Mascara, I think. But I'll list everything down below. For foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Warm Beige. For concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Multi Sculpting Coverage Concealer in the shade Warm Beige. To set my whole face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Press Powder in the shade Golden. And I want to try another powder out, like something new. I've been using this powder way too long, so let me know what other great powders you guys use. But I'm using the Themakeupshack contour palette. To bake, I'm using the RCMA no color powder. So I'm going in with the two brown colors that we used on the first one, and I am just putting that on the bottom of my lashes. To overline my lips, I'm using the Italia Deluxe lip pencil in the shade Natural Beige, and this has always been my favorite go-to lip pencil to use, and it's my favorite. You guys will always see this in my videos. For lipsticks, I'm using the Maybelline Super Ink Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Drive-In. To highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. So this is the finished look right here. I hope you guys really liked it. Let me know what other types of looks you guys want me to see on my next video. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time.